What's up, everybody? Welcome to Retro Tech Authority. Here's a GX280 Dell computer with a Dell 19-inch. Here's the front of the computer here. Has a DVD, CD-RW, two USB ports on the front, microphone output. I installed this DVD-RW myself. Came with a basic CD read-only. Side of the case. Back of the computer, various ports, serial port, VGA, parallel, USB 1.1. Let's boot her up. So I just recently did a fresh install of Windows XP on this computer. So it boots up pretty much as fast as it will ever boot up. Also, I installed a bunch of retro games. I'm going to show you guys GTA VC and Quake 3 tournament. A little bit of that after, just to see how it runs on this old computer. So let's get into the computer itself. I'm going to open up the side here. So this computer actually has an 80 gigabyte Western Digital 5400 RPM drive. Has a floppy disk drive and also the CD DVD RW. Got two sticks of RAM, each at 1 gigabyte. You can see the case is pretty clean. It's been taken care of. Boots up every time. I replaced the CMOS battery. It has a AMD Radeon PCI 128 video card with HDMI and DVI, which gives the computer quite a big boost actually for video games. So this one actually has a Pentium 4 2.8. You can see the power supply, how unique they used to make them in these slim cases. So there's one of the stick of RAM. PC2 5300, 1 gigabyte each. I'm pretty sure that this computer, the max you can put on here is 2 gigabytes, but I could be wrong. There you go, the Western Digital 80 gigabyte. And here is some specs from Device Manager. 2.8, 2 gigabyte. Let's show you a little bit about it. That's the video card I got in there. Alright, well, let's start up a game. Quake 3 tournament. Alright, I'm going to go into options here. System. Get the max resolution. Texture detail high. That should be good. You'll see the difference right now. I'm just messing around right now. I'm not actually trying to. I'm just showing you guys what this game is and how it runs on this specific computer with the video card. So I'm going to close this out now. Let's play one more game just so you guys can see. I'm going to exit here. Let's try Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Where is it? There it is. Alright, let me go into settings here and max out the settings. And I'm just going to show you guys a quick little part of this game at the beginning. I'm not going to do much with it. Display here.
City? Shit. They never let him out. He kept his head down. I poked my head out of the gutter for one freaking second and big shovel shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do? I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
Alright everyone, well, that's a quick overview of this older computer that I got a while ago. It actually runs at Windows XP perfectly with all these games, so I got a lot more games I want to show you guys, more hardware, retro and modern, tips and tricks. So if you like this first video here, please give me a subscribe and I'll be having some more videos for you guys. Have a great one.